Good morning, children. Welcome back to Ican Physics. Now in this class, we are going to see the electric field due to infinitely straight, long, charged wire. Okay, let's enjoy the class. So, infinitely charged wire. Okay, so let us consider this is the wire or straight wire. Okay, and it is charged. Okay. So it is fully positively charged. So it produces the electric field. Okay. Now Gauss constructed the Gaussian surface. Okay. Let R be the radius. R be the radius and L as the height. He constructed the Gaussian imaginary surface. Gaussian imaginary surface. Yes. Now we can take two surface area. One is here, that is curved surface area. Here you can take one surface. Then it is plane surface area. Here we are having positive charge. The positive charge produces the electric field radially outwards. Okay. So this is the electric field for curved surface area. And this is the electric field for plane surface area. Okay. So this is the plane surface area. For that, I am trying the normal. Okay. Now, angle between normal and the electric field is 90 degree. Okay. Now, it is the curved surface area. For this curved surface area, we can draw a normal. Okay. Now, normal and the electric field are acting in the same line. So, it makes an angle of 0. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? No doubt. Okay. So, what is Gauss law? Pi equal to Q by epsilon 0. Okay. So, what is the value of Q? So, we don't know. Why? Because infinitely charged. So that I am going to introduce a new word, that is linear charge density is defined as the charge per unit length. So the division L comes to this as multiplication L. So Q equal to lambda L. Now for instead of Q, we can substitute lambda L. So pi equal to lambda L by epsilon 0. Now it's taken as equation number 2. Okay. Now, electric flux. What is electric flux? The number of electric field lines crossing through the given unit area is defined as electric flux. So, pi equal to closed integral E vector dot ds vector. Vector la dot product edukanuna. Pi equal to E ds cos theta. Okay. Appa ds na enna surface area. Enakku enna surface area irukku? Rendu surface area irukku. One plane surface area, innone curved surface area. Okay. Ipa plane surface area, curved surface area. Right, okay. Plane surface area la theta evaluma? 90. So theta equal to 90. Ipa enna component irukku? Cos component. So cos 90 equal to 0. So 0 into something 0. Appa pi equal to 0. Appa no flux or no electric field comes through the plane surface area. Okay. Appa curved surface area la enna solringa? Theta equal to 0. Appa theta equal to 0 va irundha cos 0 equal to 1. 1 into something. So pi equal to closed integral EDS. Okay. Now, what about the total flux? Appa we rendu add pannunga. Appa 0 plus something. Appa total flux equal to closed integral E into ds. Appa E அப்படிங்கறத கான்ஸ்டன்ட் நீங்க வெளியே எடுத்தா என்ன கிடைச்சிரும்? pi equal to E into closed integral ds. அப்ப E into ds integrate பண்ணா S. இந்த Sங்கிறது என்னையா? Curved surface area. இது என்ன ஷேப்ல இருக்கு? cylindrical ஷேப்ல இருக்கு. அப்ப curved surface area of cylinder க்கு ஃபார்முலா என்னது? 2 pi r h. ஹச்ங்கிறது என்னது? ஹைட். நான் என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கேன்? ஹைட் இஸ் டேக்கன் as L. அப்ப ஹச் எடுத்துட்டு என்ன போட்டுக்கலாம்? L. அப்ப இந்த ஹச் எடுத்துட்டு L போட்டா நமக்கு என்ன கிடைச்சிருச்சு? 2 pi r L. அப்ப இங்க S அப்படிங்கிறது என்னையா? curved surface area of cylinder. ஓகே. அப்ப E into S. S ஓட வேல்யூ என்ன ஆயிருச்சு? 2 pi r L. ஓகே. So 2 pi r L is pi. Now it's taken as equation number 2. Now compare. So 3 னு வெச்சுக்கோ. Compare 2 and 3. So pi. அப்ப LHS are equal na RHS are equal. So அப்ப என்ன ஆகும்? E into 2 pi r L equal to lambda L by epsilon 0. Lambda L by epsilon 0. இப்ப L என்ன ஆயிரும்? கேன்சல் ஆயிரும். இந்த மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் 2 pi r ரைட் சைடு போனா என்ன ஆகும்? டிவிஷன் ஆயிரும். அப்ப E equal to lambda by 2 pi r into epsilon 0. சரி, as usual கொஞ்சம் பந்தாவா எழுதுனா எப்படி எழுதலாம்? lambda by 2 pi epsilon 0 into r is the electric field. ஓகேவா? அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஆயிடுச்சா?